Every day I have the blues. Every day I have the blues. When you want some money, try and get it from me. Now every day I have the blues. I'm working with Bossy and everybody. It's great news. And every day I have the blues. Shum dum dum dum. They call it Stormy Monday, but some days just as bad. They call it Stormy Monday, but Tuesday's quite as bad. Well, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I have the blues. Well, I spoke to Tony.